If you're an industrial machinery and equipment manufacturer looking for industrial strength ERP with strong capabilities for complex equipment specification and production, comprehensive quoting, integrated quality management and meticulous traceability, look no further than an ERP solution from Syspro. With Syspro ERP, this includes effective sales management, finding the right materials at the best prices from reliable sources, meeting lead times, accurate documentation, careful planning, efficient scrap management, and forecasting material requirements for inventory optimization. Syspro ERP software for industrial machinery and equipment, uniquely designed to meet your needs and keep your business thriving in today's competitive and fast-changing environment. Forge ahead with Syspro ERP for industrial machinery and equipment.